Well, it looks like I've got a bird of some type at the bird feeder. It's got a red head on it. I've had difficulty getting up here close enough to photograph them with the patio shades open, so this looks like it works. I just put the tripod and camera up close, and I've got the shades closed except for one slat that I've pushed back, and apparently they don't know I'm here. I've had to fill this bird feeder up just about every day for the last couple of days. And 10 pounds of bird seed cost me about $6. And they're going through bird seed pretty fast. A lot of bird seed on the ground. I've only got the one bird feeder there, and this, by the way, is in Fort Worth, Texas. I got that bird feeder at Walgreens. They sell them for $3.30, not bad at all. Now the only kind of bird seed that they sell is mixed seed. If they had a bag of sunflower seeds, you know, inexpensive, I'd get another bird feeder and put it up. But anyway, I'm not sure what kind of bird this is, but it's, oops, here comes another one. Looks like he's looking at me, but I think he decides it's safe. There's a cardinal that comes, but it does not get on the bird feeder. It eats the seed off the ground. So I don't know how long I can keep before these guys need to go on a diet. It's windy out today, and it's hot. Anyway, just a little view of the. When I put that bird feeder up, I don't think any birds showed up for like a week, but several people told me on YouTube and on my blog that the bird, if you build it, the birds will find it. They will come, and they have. And it looks like I found a way to get up here and photograph them now by closing the shade and just having one slat open a little bit. So much for feeding the birds.